Good morning, team. This is Master B here with the morning recap. I did a quick trade this morning. Kind of ended my early today because of we have a 2 o'clock news announcement coming up at 2 p.m. So I kind of figured they might want to shoot off their movement a little earlier. So I jumped on a little earlier. We have a 10 a.m. and a 2 p.m. major news announcement, red folder, 2 p.m. Right? So they might be messing around during the morning opening. So just going to go over what I did. I jumped on the 60-minute chart and I identified where's the floor right there and the ceiling, just like how we discussed in the classroom on Saturday, right? So I had my ceilings and floors drop down to the 15-minute chart. And we're looking for supply and demand zones. So since we was already at the bottom at 8 o'clock, I put in a supply zone up here at the top. This last candle up before she ran down, that's my supply zone. So if I decide to get into this trade, I'm going to be looking for this area as a potential target. Next is the 5-minute chart. And I started zoning my support and resistance with a single line so I could distinguish between my higher time frame. So we had a resistance here and we had a support right in the low of the hourly chart. Okay. And I just waited until she broke the resistance, came back. So we had an impulse correction, just like how we discussed. There's our impulse. There's our correction. She came back into the breakout. And I jumped in on the continuation side, shooting up to the supply zone. Okay. And also, guys, notice down here at the bottom, we had momentum in my favor for the follow through. So that was my morning trade for this morning. Right. Just a quick recap of the 8 o'clock opening. All right. This is Master B out. Peace and blessings. Have a safe trading.